Question 11. EWM can be deployed in which of the following configurations? Correct answers. 1. Embedded in SAP S4, HANA 2. As a decentralized EWM on SAP S4, HANA explanation, SAP EWM supports two main deployment options. O embedded EWM runs inside the SAP S4, HANA system.O decentralized EWM runs on a separate instance of SAP S4 HANA, allowing for independent scaling and performance. Both deployment modes are supported in S4 HANA, enabling flexibility in system architecture based on business needs. Question 12. What is the primary goal of cross-docking in the context of SAP EWM? Correct answer. 1. To reduce warehouse storage time and increase delivery speed. Explanation. Cross-docking aims to bypass storage by directly transferring inbound goods to outbound staging or delivery. This process minimizes handling, reduces inventory holding time, and accelerates delivery to customers or stores. It's especially useful in fast-moving industries like retail or distribution. Question 13. Which sentence is not correct with respect to final shipment? Correct answers. 1. Value-added services. 2. Deconsolidation. Explanation. Final shipment refers to the last outbound process for an order or delivery. Value-added services and deconsolidation are internal warehouse processes typically done before final shipment. Including these as part of the final shipment is incorrect, since they are prerequisite processing steps, not part of the shipping event itself. Question 14. Which of the following are storage type roles? Correct answers. 1. Identification point. 2. Production supply. 3. Work center in staging area group. Explanation. In SAP EWM, storage type roles define specific functions or behaviors for storage types, including O, identification point, used during goods receipt to scan and identify items before further processing. O, production supply, provides materials directly to production lines. O, work center and staging area group, used for value-added services, packing, etc. These roles help automate and control process flows during warehouse tasks. Question 15. What is the primary purpose of using wave management in SAP S4, HANA Cloud Private Edition Extended Warehouse Management? Correct answer. 1. To consolidate orders and optimize the picking process. Explanation. Wave management allows grouping of warehouse request items into waves for collective processing. It optimizes picking efficiency by O, consolidating similar deliveries, O, aligning workload with labor availability, O, scheduling picks at optimal times. This results in better resource utilization and throughput in outbound operations. Question 16. In addition to the warehouse number, what fields are used for warehouse process type determination? Correct answers. 1. Control indicator. 2. Delivery priority. 3. Item type. 4. Document type. Explanation. SAP EWM uses several criteria to determine the warehouse process type automatically for a warehouse request item. Besides the warehouse number, the system evaluates O, document type, type of inbound-outbound document. O, item type, describes the item category. O, delivery priority, used to prioritize urgent tasks. O, control indicator, triggers special handling. This helps ensure the right process logic is applied for each movement. Question 17. To which objects can you assign a warehouse door? Correct answers. 1. Yard. 2. Warehouse number. Explanation. A warehouse door is a logistical object in EWM used for O, assigning loading and unloading locations during transportation activities. Doors are assigned to O, the yard, which contains the physical layout of transportation activities. O, the warehouse number, as it defines the overall organizational structure. Proper door assignments are necessary for efficient TU processing and dock appointment scheduling. Question 18. RF function. Key F6 is used for which function? Correct answer. 1. Clear explanation. RF function. Keys are predefined or configurable buttons in the RF UI screens. F6 equals clear is typically used to O reset fields, O cancel current entries, O clear the screen for fresh input. This is essential for mobile operations to ensure smooth handling of repeated tasks by warehouse workers. Question 19. The three types of physical inventory procedures are? Correct answers. 1. Periodic. 2. Continuous. 3. Cycle counting. Explanation. SAP EWM supports different physical inventory procedures. O. Periodic inventory. Entire warehouse is counted on a specific key date. O. Continuous inventory. Ongoing counting throughout the year. O. Cycle counting. Based on ABC classification or frequency rules. These methods help maintain inventory accuracy in compliance with auditing standards. Question 20. Accordance with clean core principles, you must now create the necessary workflows. Which of the following SAP Signavio solutions can be used to create the workflows? Correct answer. 1. SAP Signavio process. Governance explanation. SAP Signavio process. Governance is part of the SAP Signavio Business Process Transformation Suite. It allows users to O model, monitor, and automate workflows, O align with clean core principles by externalizing processes without modifying SAP core logic. This supports business agility and is compliant with SAP's cloud-first strategy.